celebrating the essence of Guóqìng Jié. Hello, 你好. Today, let's dive into the beauty and importance of China's National Day, Guóqìng Jié. Origins: Guo stands for country or nation. Qing means celebrate, and Jie is festival. Together, they form the national celebration festival, Guóqìng Jié. These days, celebrated every October 1st, marks the establishment of People's Republic of China in 1949, ushering in the much anticipated Golden Week holiday. 庆祝活动 celebration activities. First, 升旗仪式 the flag raising ceremony, a solemn and significant event where the national flag is raised with pride, embodying the nation's utility and strength. Second, 阅兵仪式 the military parade, a grand spectacle in Beijing, especially at Tiananmen Square, where the nation's military prowess is on full display, with soldiers marching in precise formations and advanced military equipment being showcased. Third, 国庆节晚会 the National Day Gala, broadcasted on national television. This gala is a vibrant mix of performances, including songs, dances, and theatrical acts, celebrating China's culture. 黄金周 Golden Week. One of the most anticipated parts of Guóqìng Jié is the week-long public holiday known as Golden Week, 黄金周. With a week of work, many people seize this opportunity to travel, explore new destinations, and spend quality time with their families. It's a time of relaxation, adventure, and making memories. Reflecting on the essence of Guóqìng Jié is not just about festivities, but also about understanding and celebrating the spirit of a nation that has grown and thrived through determination. Here's a question. In 2023, which National Day anniversary does China celebrate since its inception in 1949? 自1949年起，2023年是中国庆祝建国的第几个周年？ Leave your answers in the comments. Closing with heartfelt wishes. 祝您国庆节快乐 Wishing you a happy National Day. 再见 Bye.